Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on reverse side of muscle hook, and here's what it looks like. And yeah, first off I want to say that this is a reverse slack trick, so it will loosen your string tension, so you want to make sure to keep it neutral. This trick can go up just like normal hide and muscle hook to negative 1.5, negative 2.0, but I won't get into that today. If you do want me to get into that, then be sure to leave a comment and let me know. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So first off, you don't really need to know how to do a Hinamasa hook, as I will explain it in this video, but it will make learning a reverse Hinamasa hook a lot easier. So first off, with the hook, basically what you are doing is you're going to whip behind the yo-yo and make sort of a U and catch the yo-yo with it. Here it is in slow motion. As you can see, there's a U forming with the string as you whip behind. So you're going to whip behind, and you see that top string, you're going to whip it into the groove of the yo-yo. That is essentially what it is. A good exercise to try and learn it is whip behind the yo-yo and make the CU formation. As you can see, it'll kind of curve around, and if you just put a little bit more effort and hit it against your non-thrown hand, it should form a hook. And yeah, those are basically the essentials behind a normal Hinamasa hook. So here's the reverse hook. As you can see, you're whipping in the opposite direction. You're whipping counterclockwise, but you're still forming that U, and you're still hitting it against your non-throw hand finger, except it's whipping the opposite direction. And as you can see, it's similar to a hook in that you land the string with the front part. So first, you want to lay down the yo-yo just flat, like so. Then with your non-throw hand index finger, you're going to put it into the string and pop the yo-yo up, like so. You're just going to kind of drag it, and when you pop it up, it should create a slack. That is what you're going to use for the reverse hook. You don't really need to do this, but it makes it a lot easier, in my opinion at least. So as you can see, you can repeat the exercise you tried with the hook and just make U's. As you can see, it's just a nice open U, and as your throw hand swings from behind. As you can see, you will need to tighten your string tension as this loosens it up. A nice exercise is trying the slack trapeze, basically just to wrap your head around it. So if you pinch the string with your non-throw hand and swing the slack over with your throw hand in a counterclockwise direction over your non-throw hand, and you'll see how the string lands under the groove of the yo-yo. That is essentially what happens mid-air with a reverse hook. And yeah, that's basically the entire reverse hook. Here's some tricks. You don't want to land the slack over your wrist like so. It just makes it a lot harder, in my opinion, as the slack it's harder to reach a yo-yo, as you can see, and it makes it harder to hit the trick. So you want to aim the slack onto your index finger instead. As you can see, it goes over my index finger and not my wrist. And yeah, that basically concludes my entire tutorial. Here it is one more time. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, especially if you made it this far. I hope you guys learned something. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. I'll be sure to get back to you. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.